Hello, how are you today?
I am good, thank you.
Can I get you some coffee?
Yes, I want a coffee, please.
Do you want a small or a large coffee?
A large coffee, please.
Do you want black coffee or coffee with milk?
Black coffee, please.
Do you need sugar?
No, I do not like sugar.
Is that everything today?
Yes, that is everything.
It costs $5.
Here is $5.
Thank you for your order.
You are welcome.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, I can give you a table.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Please sit in this chair.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Yes, here is the menu.
What do you have today?
We have fresh fish and steak.
I will take the fish, please.
What do you want to drink?
A glass of water, please.
Is that all, miss?
Yes, for now. Thank you.
Here is your fish and water.
The food is very good.
I am very glad.
Can I have the check now?
Here is the check, miss.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Hello, it is very close.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it takes 5 minutes.
Please tell me how.
Walk straight down this street.
Okay, straight down this street.
Then turn to the right.
Right. Is it on the left or the right?
It is on the left.
Is it past the big bank?
No, it is before the bank.
Can you see it from here?
No, you cannot see it.
But I will find it.
Yes, you will find it easily.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Have a good day.
Hello, I cannot find the milk.
Hello, the milk is in the back.
Is it near the eggs?
Yes, it is near the eggs.
Do you have fresh bread today?
Yes, it is right here.
How much is one loaf?
A loaf is $3.
Okay, I will take 2.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I want some fruit.
Fruit is on the next aisle.
Do you have bananas?
Yes, we have many bananas.
They are very yellow.
Yes, they are very fresh.
Thank you. I will pay now.
Here is the register, miss.
Thank you.
Hello. I want to read some books.
Hello, do you have a library card?
No, I do not have a card.
I can make a new card for you.
Is the new card free?
Yes, the card is completely free.
What do you need from me?
I need your name and your address.
My name is Laura Smith.
And what is your home address?
I live on Main Street.
Thank you. Here is your new card.
How many books can I take today?
You can take up to 5 books.
How many days can I keep them?
You can keep them for 14 days.
What happens if I am late?
You will pay a small fine.
Do you have books about animals?
Yes, we have many animal books.
Where can I find these books?
They are on the 2nd floor.
Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. Enjoy your reading.
Do you like this lesson? Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more English. See you in the next video.